my channel. So I just had my shower. As you can see, my hair is still wet. So yeah, I hope you all are doing good. You all are safe. And so recently I was going through some YouTube challenges. There were many challenges: ice bucket challenge, then spicy noodles challenge, then there were actually TikTok challenges also, but we can find it in YouTube also. So I was looking through them. It was very funny and it was really very interesting. So I thought, why not try one? So I thought I'll do the spicy noodles challenge. And ta-da! Okay, sorry, I'll make it clear to you. So this is, I don't know, it's written in Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. So it's the hot chicken flavor, sorry, 1 second. It's hot chicken flavor ramen, and this is halal. And so these are some of the directions that we have to see. And I have heard that it's quite impossible to finish the whole packet. So I was thinking, like, let's do it. Let's bring some spice to life. But let me tell you one thing. My spice level is, if I can rate from 1 to 10, I would say it would fall 3 to 4. Not 1 to 2, because I can have spicy things, but I can't bite on green chilies. That's a big no-no for me. If I start, like, if I have one green chili also, I'll be dead. I'll start coughing, then I don't know, my eyes will become red and all such things. So in spice level, I would rate myself in the number 3 to 4 category. If minimum 3, maximum will be, I would say, 5. But this is almost like a number 10. It falls in number 10 category in the spice level. It's so hot. So I'm taking this challenge. I don't know what will happen to me. I'm risking a lot. So if something happens to me, God knows, if I end up in the hospital, please get me flowers and chocolates. I know, I'm a really shameless fellow. I keep asking for flowers and chocolates. I'm really sorry. But yes, if I end up in the hospital, please bring that. So we'll try this today. And I'm really nervous now. I'm really nervous that why did I take up this challenge, because I don't know, man, what will happen to me. Anyways, अब लिया है तो करना पड़ेगा challenge. So let's get started. Before I head to the challenge, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And please like, share and comment, yeah. Please, I have been asking you always that please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe कर दो यार. Please, views बढ़ा दो, subscribe कर दो. Yes. So yeah, please do that and let's proceed. Yay. So yeah, we are in the kitchen now. I know my kitchen is a big mess now, but I'll read out the instructions. So the cooking instruction is, the first one is, put the liquid sauce into the 500 ml water and boil. So I have to add 500 ml of water. So here it is said that put the liquid sauce in the 500 ml and boil. So there is the 500 ml of water. Now I'll be putting the liquid sauce. It's boiling. I'm really afraid what to do. Oh my god, look at the color. My god, it's so red. It's turning all red now. So we are done with number 1 cooking instruction. Number 2 is when the water starts to boil, put noodles and cook for 5 minutes. Okay, let the water starts boiling. It will come to full boil, then only I'll put the noodles. Look at the noodles. It's so thick. It's not like the regular noodles. So, yay! I'll just see what will happen to me. Okay, it has started to boil. Now, well, okay, so I'll put the noodles here. And, oh, there's more left in the packet. Yes, and I have to boil it for 5 minutes. So I'll show you what will happen to me and plus the noodles. So let it boil for 5 minutes, and I'll see you on the other side of the video. Bye bye. So we have our noodles ready. I'm really nervous now, guys. Seriously, I'm very nervous. It's so red. Now the last part is left. This is the masala we have to put in it and stir, and then only we can eat. This is the whole process. So I'm really worried now. Oh my god, this is white in color. I don't know what. I don't know. Is it chicken? Oh, okay. Now I just forgot that I bought chicken. I was just so afraid of this spiciness of this noodles that I completely forgot that it was actually a chicken noodles. Okay, so I'm going to stir it well. I don't know why it turned out so soupy. I don't know, it has to be soupy or it has to be dry. I really don't know. In the instruction it was said that you have to put 500 ml of water. So I did put 500 ml of water. Now, oh god. Now the time has arrived. So let's see whether I can do this challenge or not. I even have my chocolate with me. ज़्यादा कुछ होगा chocolate खा लूँगी, but noodles and chocolate together. Let's get started. So I don't know what's going to happen. Wish me luck. It's very hot. For people whose spice level is 1 to 2, please don't try this. And to 3 to 5 who falls under my category, देख लो भाई, अगर हो सकता है तो करो. It's better if you don't do it. And for 8 to 10, this is your shit. Yes, people. My god. You know, having this whole burning sensation here. I need to complete. कर लिया है तो करना पड़ेगा चैलेंज. Oh my god. No. You can slurp it like the other noodles you can do when it's soupy. It's so thick that if you bite it and after 2-3 bites, the spice, it just hits your head. I need chocolate, man. I don't know what's going to happen, but I need chocolate. It's yuck. I still had that soup in my mouth and I had this chocolate. Yuck, man. I need to complete. Ooh. This is like a torture. My cheeks have become red. I don't know. Why is it so? I'll just have the soup now. Whatever happens, देख लेती हूँ सिर्फ soup. See, this is just the soup. Ah! The soup is the main thing. Oh, horrible. This whole portion is burning now. I don't think I can have more. I'll just have one bite and that's it. I can't have more. This is impossible. I'm having a running nose. I'm having a running nose. Oh my god. It is so spicy. Not happening, not happening. I'm done. I'm done. Not happening. So, I'm done. I can't have it anymore. So, you can understand my condition, I guess. 1-2 कैटेगरी में आने वाले लोग प्लीज़ डोंट ट्राई दिस. 3-4 भाई देख लो, अगर होता है तो होता है. एंड द पीपल हु स्पाइस लेवल फॉर्स ऑन द 8 to 10 यू कैन हैव दिस. this is your thing. So whew, this whole part is burning like anything. So yeah, end the video here today. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much, guys.